Alright, so today we're going to be opening up a Juice WRLD mystery box, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Obviously, we're going to have to give it to Juice WRLD with Cursed. This is one of my favorite leaks out there. Go listen to it, it's amazing. And yeah, let's open up this box. Alright, so here we got the box, man, and I just want to point out, I love how this box looks. They really stepped it up from the last box. Last time it was just like a regular plain brown box, and this time they actually pulled through and made a really nice design on the whole box. And also want to point out this was $100, and I just opened it up, so I don't know what's inside, and I'm really excited. So let's just like open this up real quick. All right, let's pull this out. Anything else? Yes. All right, so we got 2 shirts so far. Oh shit. All right, I'm actually kind of excited because I think I know what these things are. Oh, what is that? All right, you can see it there. All right, I'm not gonna show one of the things that's in there because that's my receipt, and I believe that will have my address on it, so that would not be nice. And there's a little card. Get that. Okay, so let's just go through everything. We have a, oh, I thought this was a CD for a second. All right, this looks like a sticker. That's really cool. I actually like this, so I'll put that in there. Have a little card. I'll scratch and win. All right, I'll scratch that off in a second. Put that to the side. We have a hoodie, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm really happy because I actually really wanted this hoodie and this shirt right here. I was actually gonna buy these, but I waited for this box to come in before I actually bought it, just in case I got it. So I'm really happy I got these. And then we have this shirt. I don't really know what this is. Vintage Death Race for Love t-shirt. Not really sure what this shirt is, but yeah, let's just open everything up, scratch this off, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I opened everything up and I scratched this off. I'm not gonna show it, but I got 2 try agains, and then I also got a 25% off code. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that and put that in there for now. And here we got the shirts, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm super fucking excited because literally everything I got are things I was genuinely gonna buy. All right, so first we do have like the vintage tee. It says 999 here on the sleeves, and I think says something on the side. Yeah, it says Death Race for Love, and I like how it says 999 on the sleeve right here because I actually have a 999 tattoo right there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It just says Juice WRLD on the front, and then on the back it just has all the tour dates with the album cover. So I really like this shirt. I was actually gonna buy it again, and I was actually gonna buy everything, so I'm really fucking hyped I was just able to get everything I wanted. We also have this shirt right here. This is a really cool one. I really like it. I don't think it's anything on the back, so yeah, we got that. And then we have the hoodie that I got, and again, I really like this hoodie. I'm glad I was able to get it. Have some stuff on the sleeves, something else here on the sleeves as well. 999 Death Race for Love. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this hoodie actually smells like shit. Like, it literally smells like fucking chemicals, and I fucking smelt it like as I was taking it out because I wanted to know if it was the hoodie, and I started coughing. Like, it's really bad. It smells a lot like chemicals. But yeah, that's everything I got from the box. Let me get right back in front of the camera and give you guys my final thoughts. All right, so do I think that this mystery box is worth it? Yes and no. The reason I say yes and no is for a couple reasons. Yes, because I actually got a bunch of stuff that I genuinely wanted, and I was gonna buy this stuff anyway, so I'm happy I was able to get it in a really cool box. I would say no because you did get less value than you did on a couple months ago. They released another mystery box. In the last mystery box that they released, I got a V-Lone hoodie, and I got a couple other hoodies and shirts, and it just had more products inside than this one. Overall, I would say that this is a worse mystery box than the last one they released. Don't get me wrong though, it's still really good. I genuinely enjoyed opening it up. I liked everything that came inside of it. So yeah, let me just give you guys a quick rundown. Again, we have the little card that you can win 25% off with. Again, not gonna show it because I'm gonna use it. And we also have a sticker, which I'm really hyped about. I actually like this. I'm gonna keep it and put it somewhere. Another thing is the box. Like, I genuinely really like this box, and by the way, that is one of my favorite pictures of him right there, and the album cover. Like, this box is genuinely so fucking cool, and I'm really hyped I was able to get it. And I don't know, maybe I'm a hoarder or some shit, but I'm gonna keep the box and put it somewhere just to look at it at some other time. Next, we got the hoodie. I'm really hyped about this hoodie. Again, I'm gonna have to wash it because it literally fucking smells like chemicals. It's really bad. Hopefully not everybody's hoodies actually smell like this because I genuinely don't know how it smells like that strong. Next, we got this Crash like shirt that's on fire that says Death Race for Love. Really like this shirt. I was gonna buy this a couple months ago, and then I was actually gonna buy it before this box actually came out, and then I held off because I bought the box. And then what turned out to be one of my favorite items in the whole box was actually this Death Race for Love t-shirt. The reason I love this shirt so much is because I was actually supposed to go on one of these tours, but I ended up canceling for other situations. And yeah, it just sucks, but I'm glad I was able to get a shirt for it. So yeah, that's everything I got in the Death Race for Love mystery box. Let me know what you guys think about it. Are you guys gonna plan on picking up any future mystery boxes? Because I'm almost 100% sure that they will release more. So yeah, that's it. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and rest in peace, Juice WRLD.